Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a double Chanel unboxing for you. I'll be unboxing two items that I've been wanting for such a long time. One of them has been on my long-term wish list. It is a bag that I missed on years ago and I can't believe I finally have it in my collection, and it is also the perfect summer bag. And then the second item is actually from my most recent updated summer wish list. It is another very hard to get item that's been sold out for months and months and months. It's a super hot Chanel item right now. So if you've watched my previous shopping vlog video, which I'll link above, this won't be a surprise. You probably know already what it is, but let me unbox both of them because they go with each other so well. They're the perfect match, and you guys know I'm the matchy queen. Right, I'm going to start with my newest handbag, and this, I don't think anyone can guess what it is, although I'm pretty sure I've mentioned it before, and I found this pre-loved. I've already unboxed it because I wanted to inspect the bag and see if everything was good, but I put it back in the box so I can do this unboxing, and guys, it is so perfect. Let me show you. Alright, so in here it comes nicely wrapped, and I'm not gonna keep you waiting, I'll just reveal it. It is the Chanel wicker vanity bag with the black patent leather, and look, it has this beautiful CC on the bottom. Oh my god, isn't she perfection? I told you this is the most perfect summer bag. I'm so happy with my timing because I know I could have hunted this bag down a long time ago, but I'm glad I finally ticked it off my list. I've been thinking about it for such a long time. There was another wicker bag that I was contemplating getting from Chanel, but I thought this one was a bit more versatile because it has a crossbody strap but also the top handle, and it is a really cute compact size for the hot summer months. Also, vanity bags are all the hype right now, right? But at the same time, this has been a very popular bag ever since they released it. I'm trying to pinpoint like which collection was this from, because I remember I have a clip on my phone from a shopping trip, and I remember it was around Christmas, so it must have been a cruise collection. I went shopping and I saw this bag on the mannequin in white, but they were all sold out, so I couldn't get it back then, and I still have that clip on my phone. It is actually in my to buy like wish list folder on my phone with all the items that are on my wish list. I have a separate folder, and I've always wanted to get this bag, and this bag actually comes in a few different colors, in black, white and pink. I thought I would just get the black because I knew I would get the most wear out of the black one. I do really like the other two colors though, especially the white for summer is so perfect, right? So I'm kind of tempted to get the same bag in a different color, even the pink color. It's such a sweet wearable pink, but yeah, at the end I just decided to be safe and go for the black because I knew I would get the most use out of this one, and I know my summer wardrobe, although I have so many like floral pastel colored dresses, I also do wear a lot of black and black dresses, black maxi dresses. So yeah, this, I thought the color combination was very classic and very chic as well. So yeah, I'm happy with my choice. Now, I mentioned I bought this bag pre-loved. Well, that was my only option, right, since this is an old collection, and I must say the condition of this bag is so good considering how old it is. It is a couple of years old. Yeah, it is excellent. I can't see any wear or tear anywhere. No, like the corners are perfect. The wicker, there are no scratches on the wicker, no cracks. I've come across multiple bags exactly like this one over the years because, as I said, I've been looking for this bag, and To be honest, this is probably the one that was in the best condition I have seen, because the other ones were either worn out in the corners, or the zippers were the flaps were very crooked. I've also seen a few where the wicker was broken, mainly on the side, but this one is very well taken care of, and I'm so happy. I really look after my bags. So when I'm looking for a pre-loved bag, it has to be in a great condition. Yeah, over the years I have bought a few bags pre-loved, and so far my experience have been good when it comes to bags, at least. And I did buy I think the very first bag I got, I'm trying to remember, I think it was the blue trendy that I got from Designer Exchange. Also my Chanel Gabrielle from the Hamburg collection, that was also from Designer Exchange. And my latest one, again from Designer Exchange, is the Camellia Extra Mini Flap bag that I love so much. I adore this bag. And now this is my latest addition, and I can't wait to wear her. As I said, it came at the perfect time as well, because the weather is still great, the temperatures are going up again. So I still have some summer left to wear her out. And another reason I thought it was the perfect time to buy it now is because Chanel is releasing so many wicker and raffia bags with their cruise collection, and I had a feeling all wicker Chanel bags will go up on the pre-loved website as well. You know, there is a bag from the cruise collection that I mentioned. It's actually very similar to this one. I will insert a picture here. This is the one that I am eyeing from the cruise collection, but now that I have this one, I don't know, I really love this one. It's such a classic style, and I really actually love the black leather, the patent leather. By the way, it has a silver hardware. And yeah, it's so roomy, it has little feet, it sits so perfect crossbody as well. It is on the shorter side. For reference, I'm 170 centimeters tall, but with dresses I think it's perfect for summer. But I will probably mainly use it as a top handle. So yeah, now I have 2 wicker bags in my collection. Finally this year I got my dream summer bags, and I couldn't be happier. My Louis Vuitton Capucines, and now I finally have a Chanel wicker. This one feels so special. I'm so excited for it. And now unboxing number 2. So let's have a look. I told you I like to be matchy, so I had to pick up, of course, a matching pair of shoes. I have been talking about these for some time now. You have probably heard I mentioned these exact shoes in a couple of videos now, and I couldn't believe when my essay told me these are coming back, because I really thought I missed out. And these are extremely popular and difficult to get hold of, even on pre-loved. Like, resellers are selling them for crazy premiums, and my size is very difficult to come across as well. So I picked up the Chanel Raffia ballet flats. Let me take the other one out. These are my new Chanel ballerinas, and I'm so in love with them. I got them in the beige and black, very classic Chanel combination, also very wearable again. And these, I know everyone keeps referring to these as the Chanel Raffia ballet flats. They are not actually raffia. Even I mentioned raffia now. My essay even said, when she messaged me, Maria, the raffia ballerinas are back. They are not raffia. They're more like a crochet ballerina. I will insert a close-up so you can see. Maybe from a distance I can see how the beige could resemble raffia, but it is actually fabric. I love the way that these are braided. That fabric really gives it a very summer feel, and compared to my other ballerinas that I have, these feel so lightweight and also airy because you can kind of see through them, right? So they're the perfect summer ballet flat, and these are actually super comfortable. Again, compared to my other ballerina flats, I do have some ballet flats in leather, in tweed. These feel a bit roomier, a bit more comfortable. I went for my normal size because in ballet flats I always get 38.5, and I must say these feel so different on compared to my tweed ballerinas. My tweed ballerinas, even at 38.5, do feel quite snug. I'm still trying to break them in, whereas these, the fabric feels really soft, and Maise actually said she recommended I size down. I didn't. I really didn't want to risk it. I'd rather be comfortable. I'd rather have shoes that are a bit more loose because I can always add additional insole or something at the back if they loosen up. But she actually suggested I size down by half a size because she said these tend to stretch quite a lot. I'm glad they brought them in this colorway as well, the black and the beige. I think it's a very classic combination, again very wearable, but these, I have a feeling they'll bring back the white as well. I'll insert a picture. I think I'm gonna get the white as well. Yeah, I think I have to have both of them, right? These I'm glad I got, and let me just show you. Perfection, right? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of my new summer bag. I can't wait to style it up. You'll definitely see me wearing this one a lot, especially this month because it's still hot and I really want to use it finally. After so many years, I finally have it in my collection. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and like this video because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!